Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. With this video, we are going to discuss about the Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur. Like at what percentile you can target with this option, what about the placements for the IIT Kharagpur, what is the overall batch profile for IIT Kharagpur, that everything we will discuss with this video. If we consider the eligibility criteria for IIT Kharagpur, then you must have the graduation of 4 years in the stream like engineering, technology and pharmacy. Or if you have a master's in the science, commerce and economics, then also you are eligible to apply for this college. Then there is one more criteria. In the graduation, you must have 60% or more marks for the general category. And if you are from the reserved category, then there is a 5% relaxation for the reservation category students. If we consider the selection process for IIT Kharagpur, then IIT Kharagpur has set up the minimum CAT qualifying cutoff according to the category. So for general and EWS category, you should have 90 percentile or more than that in your CAT entrance examination. For OBC, you should have 81 percentile or more than that in your CAT entrance examination. For SC, ST and PWD, you should have 60 percentile or more than that in your CAT entrance examination. And if we consider the final selection, then in that 20% weightage is given to your application rating, then 40% weightage is given to your CAT score, that is 20% weightage to the VRC section, 10% weightage to the DILR section and 10% weightage to the quantitative ability section. Then 40% weightage is given to the personal interview. So if you want to apply for the IIT Kharagpur, then you need to visit their website and you can start the application. So if we consider the registration fees, then for general and NC-OBC it is 1600 rupees and for SC, ST and PWD candidates it is 800 rupees. Now coming to the important dates for the IIT Kharagpur. So the online application form has already been started. The last date of online application form is 5th of February 2024. So there will be a correction window in between 6th of February to 8th of February and the online personal interview is scheduled in 3 slots. Like the first slot will be from 2nd March to 4th of March, second slot will be from 9th March to 11th March and third slot will be from 22nd March to 24th March. And the declaration of admission results will be from 1st of May to 5th of May 2024. So if we consider the overall fee structure for the IIT Kharagpur, that is nearly up to 11 to 12 lakhs rupees. Now if we consider the overall batch profile for IIT Kharagpur, so overall there are 94 candidates. If we consider it in terms of the engineering academic background, then there are 30% candidates are from the mechanical engineering, 24% candidates are from the electronics and communication, 18% candidates are from the computer science, engineering and IT, 9% candidates are from the electrical instrumentation engineering, then 3% candidates are from the civil engineering, 6% candidates are from the chemical engineering and 10% candidates have the engineering background other than this. If we consider it in terms of the work experience, then there are 3% candidates have the work experience in between 0 to 11 months. 39% candidates have the work experience in between 12 to 23 months, 46% candidates have the work experience in between 24 to 35 months and 12% candidates have the work experience of 36 months or more than that. If we consider it in terms of the placements, then the highest CTC offered with this college, it is nearly up to 43.37 lakhs per annum. The average CTC offered with the IIT Kharagpur is nearly up to 22.13 lakhs per annum. The median CTC offered is nearly up to 21.04 lakhs per annum and the lowest CTC offered with this college, it is nearly up to 13.60 lakhs per annum. So there are top 10% candidates are with the average salary package of 31.55 lakhs per annum. Top 25% candidates are with the average salary package of 27.78 lakhs per annum and top 50% candidates are with the average CTC of 24.66 lakhs per annum. So if we consider the domain-wise placements, then there are 30% placements were from the strategy and consulting, 19% placements are from the operations, 18% placements are from the analytics, 15% placements are from the general management, 10% placements are from the BFSI and 8% placements are from the sales and marketing. If we consider the sector-wise distribution and profiles offered, then for strategy and consulting, there are various top recruiters like McKinsey and Company, Accenture Strategy, Consulting, Deloitte, Infosys Consulting, PwC, IBM, ZS Associates, and there are so many companies. And if we consider the profile offered for this domain, then those are management consulting, business transformation consulting, then package consulting, risk consulting, SAP consulting, senior implementation facilitator, strategy consulting, technology consulting, and decision analytics consulting. Then if we consider it for the BFSI, then the top recruiters for BFSI are Wells Fargo, ICICI Bank, and Trace Vista. And if we consider the profiles offered for this domain, then those are management trainee, finance associate, and analytics and modeling manager. Then if we consider it for the supply chain and operations, then the top recruiters for this are GSK, Diageo, DBSI, and Mahindra. And if we consider the profiles offered for this domain, then those are operations management, inventory planning, quality and process excellence, digital and technology management, GCC transformation, and AU2 supply chain management. Then if we consider it for the analytics and ITES, then the top recruiters for the analytics and ITES are IBM, Accenture AI, EXL Service, Wipro, Paytm, Analytics, Genpact, and Mphasis, and there are so many companies are over there. And if we consider the roles offered for the analytics and ITES, then those are data science analyst, assistant project manager, senior associate manager, data and analytics analyst, technical program manager, product manager, associate deal executive, and risk and compliance executive. Then if we consider it for the e-commerce, sales, and marketing, then the top recruiters for this are Reliance Retail and Burger Paints. And if we consider the roles offered for this domain, then those are the brand management trainee in the sales and marketing function. So if we consider the overall top recruiters for the IIT Kharagpur, then those are Accenture, Accenture Strategy, Amazon, Burger, Deloitte, Diageo, EXL, Genpact, GSK, IBM, ICICI Bank, Mahindra, McKinsey and Company, Reliance, Mphasis, Paytm, PwC, Wipro, and there are so many companies are over there. So this is all about the IIT Kharagpur. If you have any doubts, any queries in this, then you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, then do like the video and subscribe the channel.